Kit contains 28 nails, pink gel glue, 2G, mini file, manicure stick. Apply in minutes, number 2-hour process. Affordable. Save up to $45. Consistent look. No uneven French lines. 1 pack. Top reviews from the United States. Love these. I ordered these to wear at my best friend's wedding. This picture was taken over a week later and I know it's just one finger but it's the only one I had to show that they last. They held through all my maid of honor duties, wedding cleanup and even keeping up with my 2 toddlers. For some reason, all glue-on nails leave weird bubbles and streaks underneath making it super obvious that they're glue-ons but these didn't do that. They looked like I just had them professionally done.